Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. It's my
Are you a
opinion.
100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Only friends, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy 100%.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you wanted to come here in Malaysia?
Because my family need to support.
This okay. So do you have any working experience? This is your first time abroad or what?
Ex abroad.
Ex-OFW. Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Milarus Gumban. I live in Taransat, Mawa, Zone 1, Iloilo City. I'm 33 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic. My height is 5'2". My weight is 69.
Okay, Rose, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single with live-in partner, married, or single mother?
I'm single with
Are you single with live-in partner or married?
I'm living partner.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on February 15, 1992.
Advance happy birthday, ate. So what is your educational background?
High school
High school graduate
level
or undergraduate?
under
Undergrad.
uh,
Okay, so how many children do you have?
3,
How old are those children?
uh, 17, 16, 12 years old.
17, 16, and 12 years old. So what is your live-in partner occupation and how old is he?
46 years old and fishport worker.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia? How many brother and sister do you have?
One sister and one brother, and I'm second.
You are the second. So is your what about your parents?
My father, 58 years old, and my mother is 54.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2018 to 2020 in Riyadh. Did you finish your contract?
Yes.
Can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment in Riyadh? What is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
duties there to your previous employer in Riyadh? What did you do there?
I'm working in nanny
Nani, how old
and
is the baby that you take care?
6 months, 3 kids.
Three
Eight,
kids. Okay.
8, 6, and 3 months old.
And 3 months old. So did you only do focus on taking care of these children or did you do house chores also?
No, ma'am.
So you do house chores.
Yes. I do as work.
You do house chores? Did you cook? Iron and laundry there?
Yes, ma'am. All.
Are you alone inside the house? Or do you have any house helper inside the house?
No, ma'am.
Only you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened? Why you go back Philippines? Why you didn't renew your contract in Riyadh?
Um, because I take care of my children.
You take care of your children. Way back 2020 to 2021, you are a full-time mother after you work in Riyadh. Am I right? And
Yes, ma'am.
then after 2022, August 2022 to November 2022, you work in which country? This one that you didn't finish your contract?
In Qatar,
What happened?
uh,
Why
I
you
was
didn't? Why you terminate the contract?
I was physical abuse, ma'am.
So you worked there for 3 months only, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of physical abuse?
Uh, Kick me in panty.
Is it female employer or male?
Mel.
Male. Okay, so what
Uh,
is your job responsibilities there? What is your job scope there or your duties in Qatar?
I woke up in 5 in the morning,
And then what is your duties there?
and I all around clean all the house, like cooking, iron, uh,
Did you
do
laundry?
laundry.
Laundry. Did you take your children?
Yes, ma'am. Then I finish my work is 12 in the morning.
How old are those children?
Uh, yes, what, ma'am?
How old are those children inside the house in Qatar that you take care?
Uh, 4.
4 children. How old?
Uh, 8, 6, then 2 years old, and then 1 month.
So are you alone? So you are the only
I
one helper inside the house or do you have any?
have one helper, ma'am.
Okay, so being a domestic helper is not new for you because you already got working experience way back before, right? So are you
Yes, ma'am.
ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
No, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
I sorry, ma'am. I can take care of baby.
You can take care baby. Okay, so can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you okay to like learn new recipes like Malaysian foods, Indian foods, Chinese foods?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any dogs, pets, or what? Or kind of pets?
Like that, ma'am.
Okay. So, usage of mobile handphone, did I already inform you that you cannot hold your phone during working time? But instead, you can
Yes.
hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day. Render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. You cannot go out also on your rest day. You will going to stay inside the employer's house only. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary, yeah?
Yes.
It's either you agree or you disagree as long as we are clarified with our initial interview and you don't give us trouble, yeah?
Yes.
How will you gonna fight your homesickness?
Call my family
Call your
after
families.
work.
Okay, so this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, as I have mentioned many times. But here in Malaysia, no, we need to follow the rules and regulations of our employer, respect the employer. Any problem, any concerns, inform the employer. Always remind yourself why you wanted to go abroad. Okay, because you have a goals in your life and you wanted to sustain your family's needs. I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Rose. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Thank you and have a good
Okay.
day.